impahla ya mechanic nakungena nayo esontweni iba out of place then abo oil.
To understand.
Yabo understand
no short intended on mechanic just to make
no bo mechanic are my friends. Without bo mechanic kude la singa khona ngoba nami nguye ngikhenika ingqondo.
Oh.
So when you are in the picture so you can't see the frame. Mina ngala my job is to tell you ukuthi how far are you from the picture or to the frame. Ngidakusita ukuthi ubone ama pitfalls na ungicocela ukuthi uze ufika ku heartbreak nje kwendekeni. In my relationships, most of the time, we've got one primary problem with my heartbreaks. It's a personality issue. These are things we've always had. Ukuthi besisengakakufake ama-tag names. Ukuthi nyalo sekungilokhu, nyalo sekungilokhu, nyalo sekungilokhu. I-suicide ayifiki lamuhla. Bebathi bulala mfethu nakathi.
Majudas Iscariot wathula.
Uyabona sozilanzana le move.
Wavela kuthafu nje la emhlabeni. Superstar of Style level, Bafethu come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu, if you subscribe by now, please pause this video right now and subscribe. Hit the notification button, comment. Most importantly, share this video with everyone. Share this video, Bafethu, so that every time that's not stop, it's going to get my spaces, la masha. But most importantly, now share the notification bell is that every time when you drop a video, you are notified with Isis calendar. This part inside. Now you're part of the Rockstar community. Road to 20K subscribers, Bafethu. Thank you so much for the love and support. We're still going. Most importantly, shout out to Eclairi Store, obvious. Shout out to Eclairi for always holding it down and doing it big for the culture. Right now, I'm rocking House Music Fest, Vintage Eswatini, Eclairi Store. Make sure you check them out also online. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Make sure now figure out you tell them that you watch the biggest YouTube channel about sharing my discounts. We'll make sure we got you straight. Now it's a YouTube channel. Funama discounts are very, very, very good. Material lana. Everything is local. Nabo Black Degree, kunabo indigenous African, nabo played out. Hey, gyabuya nabo vintage. Amaninga kakhulu ngosama brand maswata yazam. La that's general pega ngabo centuries. Make sure you check Eclairi Store Arts. Without Eclairi, we have a guest. You guys have been worried. We need someone that's good for depression, what mental health. We took it upon ourselves to make sure that we get mental health. I mind the audience. Sure, come back. Great. Yeah, it's just not way. What else? What must can happen? What do you expect? So you guys have been mentioning more about mental health and advice, but we make sure that on this show, so we have a mental health practitioner right now on the biggest YouTube channel. But most importantly, Njobo is in the building. My brother.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm good.
Yini Njobo?
Ithungelwe bandla nako lengwadi ukuthi yini yona sekuthinga ukuthi salubhadala school fees ngoba litawushona sichaza.
Ngosiya. No, my brother, mental health practitioner, is that the proper term?
Yes.
Yini mental health practitioner?
Ngilele psychiatric nurse mina, mental health practitioner because kwehlukene. So you've got your psychologist, you've got your psychiatrist, you've got your clinical physician, bese sekuba nalabo psychiatric nurse. Ngunesi lofunzele wa specialize ku psychiatry. So that's where I am. Psychiatry ngiloku
nothingathi besatsabamba.
Ngilokubamba. Nase kungasabambi kusuke sekukhweshile.
Sekuyina ungasabamba.
Nase kungasabambi illness.
Okay. Thina sathi nje ukuthi umuntu odila ngento lengathi idzinga ingqondo. Ungipsychologist bo wathi kusinabo moment no akuze yonke into psychology. Hayi bathi khweshisa. Can you break it down uthini nani?
Kunabo psychologist, kuna clinical psychologist lo under labo psychologist, kuna psychiatrist lo kungulo dokotela. Bese sekuba na psychiatric nurse.
La ungena khona.
Ngilapho ngikhona khona bonesi labendele psych. Kube na dokotela lo psychiatrist, kube na psychologist lo ngasuye nurse.
Manje wena why you choose ingqondo?
Ngilivila.
Manje ngivila nengqondo. Ngivathi ngikhona complicated mbamba.
Ngilakulula khona mbamba. because na ungala ka nursing i-nursing i-hands on na utowena i-midwifery yabona mos i-midwifery
ngiyabona delivery
kuhamba kanye kanye bese sekuba ne-surgical iphatha umukhwa ka-mental health awuphathi lutho udane emlomo wakho nengcondo yakho kuphela.
Took the easy way out.
Yes.
So complicated. Full name, by the way.
Full name Dumsani Njobo Mamba. But ke kukhona nalawa la migwaqeni yabona.
La Stratini.
Yebo. Which the one little popularly known in Banana.
Thinking at me.
Good ngisho yinye.
So how long have you been practicing Ispanisa?
It's been a while. I think from as early as 20 ngaze ngento lokwento ngilomunye la nawe iminyaka yanga esaphuma. I'm trying to recall. From 2014. Yes, from 2014 I've been in practice. And kulo 2014 I've done a clinical practice which is lokwenda treatment, both therapy, both counseling. And then I've also done the public health side of mental health, about education, the awareness, and also being involved in the policies and developing guidelines on the mental health, the treatment.
Yeah.
So I'm asking how many years from 2014 to now?
Okay. So yeah, the reason why it's interested in Alenza by mental, since the mental. So cabanga ukuthi nyalo wonke umuntu is on the term mental health. Wonke umuntu mental health asathi lo mental health noma kuhamba njani wakwafika lo mina podcast washo athi default abantu lababelungu. Ubo depression nani. So wasi lo abantu labadle ama conflicts labenta ini thina nje kude nje njengale. So and also siyakubona nabo social media kuthiwa kunabo cyberbullying what so asathi thina maybe spaces njengoba ngisho sinebe ngathi singabe dzini ingcondo ngathi kusinje na psychologist ngci wonke umuntu hamba ubona psychologist. So what's your take wena kule generation lesiphila kisona isikhathi sanyalo nebumcoka maybe bekuthi make sure ukuthi inthambo yahlangana?
So I think the easier way konke lokho is for us as people to understand the mental health. I think that will make our life a little bit easier, because now kuluma mental health in the most basic way to define it. Mental health is brain health. If you have a brain, you need to keep it healthy. So mental health is brain health. Sesingaya ke kule technical side yakho ema definitions ukuthi it's not the absence of illness and whatnot, but the easiest way mina lengiyaye ngudefine ngayo ngiyaye ngithi na ufuna chaza mental health for umuntu lo to understand. Ngiyaye ngithi umuntu as an individual una 5 parts which makes you. There is the component physical, which is the body I'm seeing. And then we have the emotional, which is the how you feel. And then we have the spiritual, which is your beliefs. And then you've got your psychosocial, which is how you relate with other people. And then cognitive, which is the working of the brain. Smart and whatnot. So all the 5 things, if you are mentally healthy, is when all those 5, they're in a harmonious working relationship. Yabona kuyasebenzisana kuyabambisana yabona umtimba wakho uyayibambisa ingqondo yakho iyawubambisa ama emotions akho. You understand ukuze ubonakale unguwe the way ungakhona and beyond lokho wena u right kube yinto le accepted.
Mana ngibuka mina ngiyahlangana
hayi usharp no sengabe kuqala nyalo. So normally if those are in like the working relationship right, and most of the time people make the mistake ecabanga ukuthi nangithi kumele kusebenzisane kumele kube equally distributed.
Okay,
akukho kanjani
ngicabanga lokho ke
physically you can be physically okay, ngiyabekisa physical sikunika 60%, emotionally sikunika 20, ukulolo kunye sebu 5 5 10 uyabona but kubambisene na ungumuntu nje ngibekise ngamlamuhla ngibuye esontweni ngingumuntu lothandazako ngidawuthi me being a person who is spiritual, it's the spiritual side of me. Emotionally, I felt comfortable ukuthi ngahamba ngesontweni because psychosocially I can relate to people, and physically ngangigeze ngihlobe because ngiyala kunebantu khona, such that nabangibuka ngingachamuki ngingimechanic esontweni because that will make me look like I'm mentally disturbed. Impahla ya mechanic nawungena nayo esontweni iba out of place then abo oil.
Understand.
Understand.
No shots intended on mechanic, just to make
no. Bo mechanic are my friends. Without bo mechanic kude la singa khona ngoba nami nguye ngikhenike ingqondo.
Oh.
So kuba ngile setup leyo lethi these different things in you natibambisene and kukusebentela wena such that you are able to live, cope with my problems and ku societally acceptable umnandi. Uyabona. So generally that's what mental health is. The moment sekune disturbance sesitawuthi physically sekune neglect siyakwati uyageza uyahloba but for 3 days nyalo wena vele nje awufuni kubona la ulengwenya like wena nemanti anihlangani sesiyacala siyawandarisha mtshana what's going on.
Wo nawe ungathanda ukugeza shothi sekune
self neglect.
Hey baningi. Hey ugeza kubuzukuzuku manje madoda. Afanele uyichaze man.
Uyabona it's one of those it's another component lekho nasisho ukuthi abantu labangathanzi ukugeza abanelokhwazanisa uyabona. But if ukuthi abang self neglect for an extended period of time then it raises my question marks. Uyabona. Even on the emotions. Now utoba ngilomuntu siyayisithi abantu banema mood swings. It's one moment to happy, the next moment is a tear trip, but the next moment when I was khuluma namuntu, it raises more questions. And if it happens over a long period of time, it says something is wrong. But now when they are maybe in 2 minutes, but like it's normal because you are relating with different people. You understand? So kukhona lokho ukuthi in a day ngenteka ushaya ama points lang 5. But if utawashala ama points lang 5 over a period of more than 8 weeks, say habit. Lokwenda ukuthi vele akusekho right. So kuba ngileti into leto lelo uyayithi sibuka tona in order for us to see ukuthi are you stable, are you on verge, because it's a spectrum usuka la ku wellness kube na illness ngalegcineni.
Halala.
Most of the time we are fighting to be on the wellness side, but siyadonseka sibheka le. So the fight is like an everyday fight ukuthi you trying to be well to not get to illness, but isihlezi hamba siyochecka lephinze sibuye. Awungendeke ufike uhlola ungangeni, khona la bafike bangene bahlale, khona la bafike bangene bahlale bakhethini bese ekhaya leka illness ngalesikhathi utokhanza ukuthi you have done in neglect on even understanding ukuthi unenkinga la kunabo denial khona lapho ke vele upitch emadende vele nje uthi iphumulele awufuni ukuphuma le illness uyaphika ufa ngathi wena mnengi right noma sebaba sebakutshela hayi manje mthanda kuhambi kahle wena solo uleka illness la ubhace khona usidakali ke futhi lapho
but ngiyaphila la mtimbeni ngiyawokha abantu solo ngigrand imeli
but kukhona la kushoda khona uyabona
maspruce aqalile ayacheka
ngendeka nasithi psychosocially udawudibana nemuntu uve ngathi nje umhawukela ngembama
hawu
uzinamhewukela vele umshaye. That's what happens sometimes with ngibekise laba lotokhanza ukuthi they've got illness conditions like schizophrenia leli sibabona la dolobheni lokhanza ukuthi akungcolile kunjani. It's one of the conditions. There are days like
that lapho ngoba sometimes kuthiwa umuntu loyiwe wawe bathi ngona kuphi
here is a
thing
bona
sengiyamixa but kusuke ngendeni nge-scientific kuze ngifike na
kukanye kanye. So the new age of understanding mental health, we need to be also cognizant of the cultural aspect. And this technical psychosocial lapha kulokuthi ungumuntu. Psychosocial includes the environment.
Nakuloyana khona.
Lelo hlala kuyo. Lokungendeka kube kuyaloywana kuyo. But ikhona. So nangidawuthi nje psychosocially ngibekise ngizama ukufuna indzawo lengeke ngibange inkingi eluve.
Ungabekisa nje ngeclear it's fine.
Iclear kusingisi kakhulu. yabona
Ah,
it's
it's fine.
kuposh
Mm.
kude la ngaloya lomunye la instead batakunika i-discount but that's okay.
Essentially ukuthi ungazocomplain.
Yebo. So I'll make an example about
Mm.
a place ukuthi ngibekise la ngibuya khona mina
Mm.
le makhaya eMbabala. It's like a neighborhood, i-village nje kusemakhaya vele. So umuntu lokhulele khona the psychosocial environment
Wena uphanda usuke eMbabala wazothi ufike what's the story?
wena
Yo,
sengimade it to be honest.
hayi yaphusha.
But thank you guys for having me on the show. So if you are from le background leyo where you would say maybe kukhona lama bits and pieces ukuthi bani wende ini, your mental well-being is definitely affected by those things. Because for umuntu lokholelwa ekuthenini umuthi uyasebenza utawubona lama results emuthi losebenzako, uyabona. So nangakukhanza mina ugula kuthiwe uloyiwe, it's not for me as a practitioner to say nemanga bakamloyi. It's for me to say okay ngiyeva nithi uloyiwe, but can we find a common ground between emaloyo ne treatment yesilungu lefake ekhathi i-counseling lefake ekhathi emaphilisi.
But now lo bakujovia.
That's the thing, psychological. I've heard situations where sike saba netinto letinjalo. Lesinye isikhathi lokukahle ukuthi le common ground itananga lesikhathi futhi ukuthi sitawukhuluma nyalo sisi nasingamjova nyalo tawufa. Lo understand ukuthi asingamjovi nyalo. Anzi sihlanganisela lokho ngithu. Mina kuhlangane kahle. Kungabi isiphithiphithi kube kungathi kuyangcunzana. Nakuhlangana kahle sitawuthi okay for today asimjovi. Asesizameni yini lesingayenda ngesintu ukuze ato calm down. Wo asimbhunyisele. Niyambhunyisela angikho mina ngikwade ukubhunyisa ngithi mina. Ndawuhamba nini ekhaya nimbhunyisele. Nithi ngambhunyisela sekakhala bese nibuya naye.
Okuyasida lokubhunyisela.
Nangabe kuyinkinga yesintu. Uyabona angikwadi but sengisho nje nangabe ukholelwa kuloko because it's a spiritual thing.
Yes.
Yendani lele niva ngathi ukuthi awulunga for now for us to be able to also
intervene. Disconnect lo muntu.
We should not.
Okay, I get you.
Because lo muntu
noma ufuna umfundisi uya kumfundisi.
Yebo, hamba uqale kumfundisi akuthandazele. For you to feel like the counseling itawusebenza ngoba sekuthandazela. Uyabona? It's not my place to say phuma emthandazweni. Buya ngokhansele buya
umfete kuwe ngeheartbreak nje ukuthi verse why now they are losing their mind because of heartbreak.
I've seen those couple of times nangisa practice. It's a common thing ukuthi I know heartbroken vele uva ngathi ucaphathekile nje.
Manje uba advise njani ngoba kune case lapho khona ukhanza ukuthi abantu especially nyalo sikhuluma kahle iminyaka sesaqala abantwana basa apply abacethe itikolo nemlo apply South Africa ngoba baby South Africa nafi South Africa kuyahlukana ziyakhala.
I think
so ubisa njani lengqondo lapho.
The primary thing when it comes to my heartbreaks, the first thing I would say I don't give my advices. It's not my place. Umsebenzi wami akusiko uku-advise.
Wenda njani
ukuthi ngusite ubone ukuthi usitakala kanjani.
Unofuna
for me is to guide you to find a solution to your problem. Yabona nasingisi lesithi it's hard to see the frame when you're in the picture.
Hayi ngasicala lesi.
Sishayu ngicongibhadala. So the principle is when you are in the picture so you can't see the frame. Mina ngala my job is to tell you ukuthi how far are you from the picture or to the frame. Ngidakusita ukuthi ubone ama pitfalls na ungicocela ukuthi uze ufika ku heartbreak nje kwendekeni. In my relationships, most of the time, we've got one primary problem with my heartbreaks. It's a personality issue. Where people get into a relationship for multiple reasons, but lama reasons kanze ukuthi akafanani nginongithuni benik relationship yini. Lo munye ungene relationship for a companionship. Lo munye ungene relationship for my basic needs. Atlangani letinto.
Basiyahlaba leli verse la. Sekhona bangenele thina imali. Yebo. Sengishalo wona ngithi mina la kuwe wena umephi. Bale bese ubuta lo mbuto lo wena futhi wena ungenele kiphi.
So So most of the time when it comes to heartbreaks in my relationships, it's either ngileyo inkinga yecala or the second one ukuthi le reason lengenele yona maybe ayisafulfilleki kahle noma ngabe beyifanana.
Yeah.
Uyabona? You might be there for a companionship. Ukhanze ukuthi le company loyifunako ayisekho kule level boyifuna ngayo noma sekukhona lo provide ngqono kunawo.
Hey. Afikile bomalume.
You understand? Because in some instances the companionship or the other things kuba things develop and things evolve and things grow. If you are in a relationship less stagnant, you are bound to face problems. And heartbreak is imminent. A relationship kumele ikhule from level 1 to wherever la kuyiwa khona sathi ukuthi kuyiwaphi. Some of us sebafikile ku stage 1 but nje selokhu sahanja.
Ukhuluma kahle ngayibona nering.
Yebo, happily married nkosi yami for some few years. Yabona,
This is what you preach.
This is the part I say shout out to baby like Linda, you know. So in some instances you find with the relationships are not growing and kuba ne stagnation etimpilweni tebani only to find ukuthi maybe munye umile kanti lo munye uyakhula. Yabo nje lo bekusengawuthi sitahamba siye eMzansi. Nasifika eMzansi lo munye usene aspirations lale etulu. La demanda ukuthi aka focus 60% wakhe emsebenzini la udinga.
Yes.
Wena ngalana utek baby ufuna 80%, le deficit ya 20 awusayitholi. Utawuthatha lo 20 longasamtholi ngale umthole kamakhelwane. Khanzi sikamakhelwane bana 100% lo available. Kwanyana.
Usese broke. Kane mehlo yokujana emsalo broke.
Uyabona
unesikhathi sonke utakunika lo busy.
Uyabona ke.
Ngeke.
The moment kunalo 100 uchazwa ngile elements ya 100 lela. And then you forget about the bigger picture on the other side. By the time that one accomplishes things, maybe utawubuya khanze wena so established ngala ku broke with 100% time. Someone will be heartbroken. Whether that one or this one or lower 100%. But in a heartbreak later uba khona. So that's how some of the things pop up. Yabo.
No.
So one way or the other, kukhona la kutawuba khona ne pitfall ukuthi okay lana asikavumelani noma understandani. That's where all of these things come from. Lokho ukuthi sewuhambile abantu sewujole naba is because kukhona lolu sekushoda kule relationship at that time. Esebaye kokufuna elsewhere. Or sekuqhamuke 2.0 wakho. Because one thing about relationships, if people know you're in a relationship, there are those that study shema relationships. They are studying your relationship to see how they can improve it.
Yeah.
And improve you without your partner. Substitutes. Game changers.
Hey.
Yabona.
So when kulo msebenzi wakho lo endawo ne, what's the highest thing loyithola ukuthi kuba inkinga lokuleader kule illness kulabantu? Yini nje most maybe it might be business people ukuthi ngibuncumbi leyo cha my relationship madibana abadivo yini I challenge lekhona lo discover le period yakho wena personal lova ngathi so ba attendile.
I think the biggest problem, I normally would not want to classify problems on the granular level because that makes it a little bit complicated because it's the peak as it's issue of time. But the main problem there's a lack of self-care. People lokanza at the end of the day we end up with mental illnesses is because askatinagi. In the sense that when the issue of how much time do you afford yourself for self in a day, singanani isikhathi sakho sekunaka wena. Whether ungusomabhizinisi, whether ungumntwana esikolwa, whether ungumfundisi, but how much time are you spending on you? In two ways. The first one is lokuthi utinage in the sense ukuthi you want to get better. The other one is in the sense of you want to recover. Uyabona? Because siyagowisha. basic life nje ungumgobo nje yedwana. Like the movement of waking up, going to work, thinking about ama-sales, nangabe use-eclair, nangabe ungimi, you worried about ama-proposals nama-deadlines. Umgobo wonke loyo. But the question is, how much time do I spend for njobo to recover from singisi nekucabanga ukuthi ngabe creativity yami itawubuyaphi? The moment we invest in that, would have solved 60% of the problems we have. Because even nasemjolweni, ngalesikhathi ungadinaki, you spend so much time unake lo mnye umuntu, and the other person nangabe unenhlanhla lembi atinake yena, kutawuglowa yena yedwa when utabu passenger, because you are not giving back to yourself. Sekuyalandzela ke lo lokunye ukuthi we've got issues of time, we've got issues of minority, what do you call, inferiority complex. When I'm in a group of people now, I feel like angibelong, uyabona. So uqala kuba nabo imposter syndrome. Yabona mbethi ufuna kungizama nje before ngifike lana ngiva ngathi ayilana ku serious kakhulu lana se ma levels
ngana kukhuzwana.
Yabo sengiva ngathi hayi nonyalo ngishaya feel at home before bengise nginako but am I sure I want to do this?
Hayi information lengaka. Kufanele siwashare lathi information ngambe sitamane sik interview benga.
Hey yabona ke.
Usicocise ungani. So my brother, you one of the things that you've done is to travel a lot. Start to get through the journeys. What's that? Because from Mbabala to traveling to many countries in the cause, because you've made it sound like for even the kids ekhaya, even Swazi in general, who travel against kusengabi a thing nje. Maybe if you can tell us the reason you travel, is it vacation, place or what? Sugar mama day or is work when they got.
So I think I would say it's two things, because it's a combination of inkani and work. Yeah, lenkani is from lokuphuma lembabala, because ukuphuma embabala to travel, it literally takes inkani, in the sense that you need to have a dream that you are ready to chase. Yabona, because like I said earlier, ngingnes and ngafunza la kangwane embabane campus. But the one thing I did, I took a different career trajectory. Instead of working in hospital setting or clinic setting, I moved to the private space in my NGOs for one purpose, to try and grow a little bit more than how I've seen other people growing in the career of being a nurse. That's number one. So the traveling started there. And for me, it was never a small thing, to be honest, because the traveling lokusuka embabala ngihambe ngohlala embabane for me was a plus. Mbabane has never been my town growing up. Dolobha bengilathi ngimanzini ngoba besitaka amanzini. Nakhona nakutovula tikolo noma nabakuthumile nge-month end. But awusunje umntwana osuthi avele uye edolobheni, like sekugeziwe quick sekiwe town because kusemakhaya le. So kuhlala embabane was like living a dream, kuhlala capital. I understand. For other people it's a normal thing. Labakhulela embabane. So kuhlala embabane was like a thing. And then sengisebenza in NGO, sihle move around the country. For me, which was also a thing, because now I'm seeing places around the country le bengingadini ukuthi they exist. The first time I heard of a place ngala ka Hoho, bengicanza imbhokane uyabathelele eredweni athi kunenza wathi kusenhlanga yavuka. Ngahamba ngefika. Like it's there, it's a real place. There are people. Enhlanga yavuka. I thought imbhokane wakhaligama lekudzelela abantu, and I was like, wow. So the adventure in me has always been there, with small things which were not taken lightly. And then my first travel was for a fellowship, which was Mandela Washington Fellowship. Nangicala nje uphuma actually out of SADC. Okay, my first trip ngendiza was to the US. That's 2017. Mandela Washington Fellowship. Nakhona it's on the purposes of trying to still make myself a better person. career-wise and professionally, which is outside of nursing. That's what I did. And then coming back from there, I remember I even told one of my friends, I was like, "Kumnanzi kuhamba ngendiza." It was my first time, and for some reason I was not scared. Ngabuva lobunanzi bekuhamba ngendiza, I won't lie. And I made a decision. Lebengingathi nothi ngiyayisupporta ngani, athi from now onwards, I shall be on a plane at least once a year moving forward. And I haven't skipped a day or a year. 2017 was US program, Mandela Washington Fellowship. 2018, I had a follow-up trip to Ethiopia for a conference in public health. Leyachamuka from me attending Mandela Washington Fellowship, which is, you see, the things now are building up. Because I need to make sure angenci 2018 indiza singakadibani nayo because I promised myself. And yavela 2018 Ethiopia. From there, 2019, there was another one. I went to Egypt for another fellowship. Nakhona, I applied for it. So now the thing is, I'm looking for my fellowships to make sure I sustain the dream of traveling. And 2019 was Egypt.
Range.
Clean foods. That one I won't lie. Like, it has always been there. 2020, again, there was something. 2021, I got a job outside of the country. I moved. Since I've been out of the country, I'm working for the biggest public health institution in the continent, which is with the Africa Union, Africa CDC. So me being there was, I would say, moments of accomplishment. I remember even my first day at work. Basically, yabona nawufunza abo social ngifunza ngabo Africa Union. Kuthi ne Africa Union. I remember nangifika le gate ngafike ngema. I took almost 5 minutes ngisabuka le gate nje. Kuthi so me is going inside here. Hayi ku school trip. M17 was a completion of lots of prayers and lots of good wishes from people. So from that time, I'm working in an institution lesebenta continentally. And the mandate of the Africa CDC is to safeguard Africa's health, as the logo Yakona says. And then mental health is a component within. Like Africa CDC does the whole public health. All the different things in health are there. Now mental health to call. So that's how I then happened to travel some countries because of work. Normally, I would say it's more like umtulo sebenda a headquarters ka SRA. Uhlahamba yohlole Oshuki, ahla yohlole Mananga, ahla yohlola kaLavumisa, because ngema branch all over. So with Africa Union, ngema branch ngama countries. So you then get the opportunity. You sometimes tag along for technical support and technical missions. So khona labathunywe ngiyabekisa eMorocco. Sebabuka ilist usitsingana lo tawenda into mental health. Dumsane, you are on the list. Then you get to travel to Morocco. Ngesihlale singashoot. Yabona.
Hey, I was. So,
but the job comes first.
For
you
sure.
do the work and then you take the pictures for memories.
For content.
Yeah,
So my brother, and I know maybe I'm the right person to was very common mental health. Maybe high childhood trauma. Hey, it's because it's because I'm abuser. So we call an invention of maybe meaning maybe not denial maybe I was abused in any way in such a thing now maybe best out type of thing. I don't know if you get my question.
yeah.
But
Legit.
childhood trauma invention, we've heard about it a lot, even especially in America.
Yeah.
Still lenient money judges because
They went through.
broken family, what. So take us to learn where childhood trauma would see
So-
exist.
It's there. Legit, it's there. Clinically proven and otherwise. Bukhona. And that is like one of the part of ama-stressors. Anti-stress tehlukene. Kukhona the what we call acute stress, which is the now and now. The stress lestakuphatha nyalo.
Isanyalo.
Sikuvuvame
Bese
usote
siyaphela.
sengce. And then we got the other one we call chronic stress, which is like over an extended period of time. Nyalo nje stress wathi kulfisi kutawuba chronic, maybe probably until second term nasesikhonile kubhadala. Bese sekuba naleti-ke leti lamkhathini, which is episodic, like lama once in a while, stress sakhismusi. Yabona, ngiyathi ukuthi ngaDisemba ngaba stressed. Sekufuneka amashumi, yabona.
Sinasiphi ke sine stress ngapha stress every time after shoot.
Say episode because it's per episode.
Siphumula Monday kwaqala weekend siyaqala na.
Yabona. That's an episodic one. Uze what nalama episodes.
Ngiyibona lama episode kusina episode 1 to 3 episode 15 kubani for
So, and then there's the last bit, which is the post-traumatic, which is post-trauma. The difference ke lokhona ku-childhood trauma ngazi specific to ukuthi i-trauma ya childhood, but generally it's under a post-traumatic stress. When you were traumatized as a child, le muva bakuvuruvaya ndlela thide, and some of the things were not taken care of, in the sense yokuthi i-treatment yaka mental health most of the time comes from you speaking about things, letting them out. Inale element yabona umuntu nakane staff ngawe bakubambe nge-blackmail. It's only the content isuke valuable for as long as it's hidden. That's how traumas are. They have impact for as long as they are not exposed. The moment you take it out and we deal with it on the table, it ceases being a problem because we are now used to seeing it. Into itraumatize nayihletilela ifihlakele khona ihlivela nje nayivela nawo nako ke sekucalile, uyabona. So childhood traumas are there for umntana lokhula ekhaya la kushayana khona, not in the sense of discipline, but kuthi vele kahle kahle, actually it's not beating, it's fighting. Kuliwa nalomntana instead ukuthi umshayele ukuthi uyamdisciplina if basashaywa nyalo. But in any case, lo mntana lokhula kule environment leyo ukhula with lama elements ukuthi na ubona umuntu ashaywa you feel like anyways yini inkinga nami ngashaywa kamosi. Uyabona, such that angakhanza abantu balwa la ngephandle noma bonke lo munye uyalimala uyafa be like cina sonke sengce khona. That's not right. Normally umuntu lotawubona lento leyo should be touched. Athi yo yathiki. It's either uyakhona kusita noma uyabhaca uthi uva ngathi uyesaba. But lo munye utawufika khanze ngiyabekisa ukhanze abashaya umuntu usina ufika uve ngathi yavele. Nawe uyangeta wena ke somshayelana. Athi bayana vele laba question is ukwendeni. Athi hayi nathi besishaywe yona lento lena nalaba solo. Yabo like kune replay. You see the incident and then you remember what you went through. And labanye kuba i-outlet yekuventa. Last time bese khona nema anger issues. Bakunyathele kancane ukhumbule ukuthi wakwanyathelwa umuntu lobonga khona ukumshaya na usesemncane. Nyalo ukhumbule lokunyathelako le platform nale opportunity kumshaya ikhona umshaya awushayi lo actually ushaya nanga lo akunyathela wangakhona umshaya through this one, which is what we call projected anger. And it comes from what you experienced back then in childhood. And then the other element without the violence side, bukhona la utotsi the level of cognition and even labanye when it comes to memory loss. A lot of things happened le move and this person has been fighting and taught themselves ukuthi tinto tiyafihlwa. Ufihla uze ufihlele nemuntu lokumele ngabe uphila naye.
Utibitendle.
Yeah, wena unetibitako. Such that noma ngathiwa ngiyabekisa uyahamba la mgwaqweni ulahlekelwa licingo. Legit lilahlekile. But you'd rather go uyoboleka imali uthenge licingo ukuze kube better wathi ukuthi ulahlekelwe licingo because wakwalahlekelwa licingo bakutrapa hure. Uyabona? Mina nje ngidawubekisa I once had an experience in that it was traumatic, but nobody had done anything about it. Kwaba ngimi, it was self-imposed trauma. Because ngiyakhumbula bengiboleke i-umbrella yamake. I was in secondary school. Ngiboleke i-umbrella yamake ngahamba lina. Ngayikhohlwa ekhumbini. And bengathi ukuthi uyayithanda. Akazange ayibute make i-umbrella yakhe. And kwangidla kwalothi akayibutileni. Till today, umbrella ngiyithanda.
Trauma. Trauma sikhuluma ngayo.
You understand? It's something lekhona. It's not like something was done to me. It was me feeling guilty and feeling bad about something that happened. The last time, actually, I've actually overcame that traumatic experience in my umbrella. Because bangithengele umbrella 2 years ago. Ngiyayiphatha ngiyisebenzisa.
Phela yama kwakho leyo usethi umbrella.
Yebo phela no
kwakhona leyo
unayo nyalo ungithengele la Guinness umbrella ngiyayisebenzisa uyabona make umbrella yakhe yalahleka
yabona nje kushiya lo la Guinness akuze kusihlale embamba kusenza we serious akumanje kushiya kufanele wena action le bhekha serious
yamake umbrella yalahleka ukuthi mina like it was just a thing ukuthi I've always felt like ngiva ngathi lokho kwalahleka umbrella yamake umbrella vele namana siphathani kahle. So there are people who have that kind of traumatic experiences such that lo munye noma ungathi okay phathana imali i-traumatic experience yakhe yemali you will find probably ukuthi na umnika 10k nyalo utayispenda yonke iphele in a day because wakwayibona imali ikhona ekhaya bayispenda wangatholi ngisho cent uthi nayo ya revenge
man never.
Yabona
ngicela ngithi situation yemuntu lengimatiki lo wenda info ikhona ngisimbuka no sebangishaya. There's this guy wa Khagibo ngizala lo mfana ucedzile isikole ezini beka that time bekalungisela ke emvasi.
Okay,
bamthuma airtime angathi noma airtime trauma noma yini bamthuma airtime ngiyathi ayibuya first episode probably to comment yakhe yabhuti wakhe lo you know last yakhe le airtime yabhuti wakhe ya makwakhe
nama airtime money
onke lama airtime bamthuma sistory bakuphasisa phela airtime athwa including le yakhe onke kwabhat number draw yini ke le including le yakhe inombolo wawathela mena onke lama airtime wathi afike ekhaya wathi airtime iphi maka akayitholi yakhe akayitholi bhuti wakhe akayitholi wajikwa na bhuti wakhe was there na sekujikwa sekubuthi nombolo esito sikwendekeni maybe phela network noma yini tonke leti nombolo ti wrong including yakhe airtime trauma le.
No, I would probably say bega ne acute stress
yini le
anze kule stress sanyalo yabo lesikuvuva amanyalo kulesinye isikhathi kwanze ukuthi indlela locabanga ngayo at that moment
beka yakwende vele bhuti wakhe lo mdzala wazi wagcina sekambhalela ecedzile esikoleni lo ngambhalele athi ke nawufika story ungayibhali nombolo ngifuna ithelefoni ukwenike le phepha amdzala lo muntu.
I would probably think there is a bigger problem in the sense ukuthi maybe in issues of memory, like jogging your memory to remember things, which could probably not be a trauma or maybe some other.
But you can get a category of ngamsita ina ngibutela yena. Yes.
We can probably hear him out, or if it's a she, we can probably okay, we can probably hear out the background, because for me to know ukuthi usitakala ngani, I need to know the background yakho and also the what you have went through, because sitokhona ukuthola ukuthi what could be the problem. Because lana nje what I'm picking tinto leti around cognitive elements, but also phinze kube nale question mark leti sithi umuntu locedzile esikolweni ulungela ke emvasi probably noma sewaye
so khona nyalo by the way.
So intellectual disabilities maybe angaba khona but they are not much, because cognitively and intellectually you are sound. Now khona progress awuzofika ku university level, so kunema hiccups nje la in between, not unless ke lama airtime usendela bo baby girl
uyawabona linombolo ukuthi bekukhona lokuthi iyaya kule yakhe
bese sekuphuma eceleni.
Exactly.
Yeah, no, I think there are probably some small things here and there on ama-intellectual disabilities loku affect i-cognition yemuntu and kunema-episodes nakukhanze ukuthi at that moment ukuthi awuphambanisa nje into ukuthi ubita le inombolo ukubitekeleleleni and there are people okhanza ukuthi baba nayo inkinga lenjengaleyo.
Kwento yayini-ke ukuthi emave afana njengabo-America most kube ngikhona la kujuma khona because I think that's why le gesi ethu zabanayo yazaba like hey imfuthi ebelungu and we've heard it even ngisho on other podcasts especially bo South Africa la kuthiwa khona ngeke uzube ne-depression ube ul-African because usitshela ngami sibogogo bethu bebanayo yini bebenta ini nani into njengaleto you are supposed to have a lifestyle that will balance everything bullshit. So why is it ukuthi nathi siva ngathi sekuyasifikela le nto yokuthi nyalo uhalbe kuthabu ukuthi lo mnyama umkhanza yabo therapy maybe in sekosa kubentwana nathi sizama uadapt kepha America ke kuwest.
I think you know like when you're looking at the spectrum from the bigger picture, the main problem leyendekile with mental health nasicala ukukhuluma ngayo sikhulume ngayo yaba too westernized. Sayithatha from the upper north kwaba ngathi into leqhamuka leli dangala lokude ngalalo kuqhamuka le English. The phenomenons and the practices have always been here. Simple thing. Kunana kulesi kubita ngelihlombe lekukhalela ngesiswati. America elihlombe lekukhalela. Kula kagogo. Angithi ithi nguni culture. Kuthi kunebantu lokuthi wo lamangweni kunagogo zibani. Ngoye lo yakhulumisa ebantwana. Sikhuluma ngani ukuthi kunasegumeni. Legumeni bekwendiwani. Bekwendiwa the basic things which are done for therapy. Kuyakhokhelwana ngesiswati. We have always been doing it.
But injobi ithungelwe bandla.
Those are the things. Ngalesikhathi stats injobi ithungelwe bandla is basically a support group. Ngalesi western where we are coming together to say asibambisane. Anze kuthiwa lokho hlule majaha kuyabikwa. Akusiso singisi leso. Futhi akugedini eAmerica. Kulakithi. Lo lokulukhuni ngalakithi we have always had actually what makes mental health much more easier to get results in the African context is because of community structures ethu. Thine impact yema interventions it's much more quicker than the western side because we've got structures less supporting towards interventions. Now utothi sinemntwana lo chaos. It takes a village to raise a child basho njalo angithi umntwana wethu sonke umntwana wakho nangimbona gilatika in the western world ugilatika ugilela makwakhe. In our culture nangubona ugilatika ngakubita ngikukhude. Back in the day ngendeka futhi netwep le fast uyithole nje from a stranger uthi ufike ekhaya uyasho uthi ngishaywe ngumalume ezibani bathi bekakushayelana wena ngashayela nanginana kwathi ukusitile nathi beya sikuphinze uvela uphuma endleleni uyabona ukuthi those ngema interventions lesithi there is a family support which is the psychosocial aspect of development emuntu. So the things have been there. Lokukhulumisana bo therapy nani nakunemuntu lonenkinga kukangaki sicocela abangani bethu inkinga tethu
ani ngibona ba wrong la
angithi kukhona bakhona laba wrong vele and then there are those lotokhanza ukuthi unalo mngani wakho lo wathi ukuthi athi nasekubhetha angishayele bani uthi na umshayela akhuluma isense kuwe. Do you realize ukuthi you have just went through therapy at that moment?
Mina ke nganjalo. Mina ke ngingayithola therapy from umuntu ngamati. Nalothi a stranger I'd rather talk to a stranger umuntu engazansi maybe nje ngidafike ngihlale maybe ngihlalele lana ngimele wena. Base ngikhanza umnyumile kwethi ingqondo maybe ngimele ibhasi ngiyabekisa. So siyaxoxa sengyambuta nanginje
ngibani akufuthi akubekele kahle letinto.
For me that goes a long way kunokuthi usuke uthole makwakho noma uthole umuntu lokwatiwe leto hey.
So the difference yabona the difference between the stranger and me it's ukuthi mina ngiye esikolweni ngakufundzela. There are certain things that understand and how your brain functions but strangers understanding esikubude nencumbi yetinto uyabona. It's basically the same thing.
But siyangisida le strain.
Siyakusida.
Mina ngiyaphila le
Which is why these are things we've always heard. Ukuthi besisengakakufaka ama-tag names. Ukuthi nyalo sekungilokhu, nyalo sekungilokhu, nyalo sekungilokhu. I-suicide ayifiki lamuhla. Bebathi bulala vele nakathi.
Na Judas Iscariot wathibulala.
Uyabona soziyilandzana lemuva.
Wavela kuthafu nje la emhlabeni.
So these things were always there. The problem and the difference was betide ama-titles and nyalo sesikuspotlightile. Uyabona ukuthi wokunalokho. I-depression has always been there. Nasi nje nasikhuluma ngema-mood disorders. Siyasho sithi bobani lona unenkinga lo. Kuna nakuloko ba-hallucinations lokuthi uyahebula uyahema. Those things are there. Bo-hysteria, lihabiya. Belivele likhona. Those are signs and symptoms alamanye ama-conditions e-mental health. Khanze umuntu sewune-hysteria, lo munye sewuyahema, lo munye sewukhuluma tinto, lo munye sewubona tinto letingekho. They were always there. But the difference is, how are we interpreting the terminology from a West? Siyibuke from the cultural side, sikuhlanganise. Nyalo, what we are trying to say and do is, we want to speak about mental health from the Afrocentric perspective. Mental health yema-Afrika ayifani ne-mental health yebelumbi. Because it's ne-culture lengafani. Tinto letibangela mina tinkinga, akusito letibangela bona tinkinga. Nakubekusela, we recently did a study. We did it across 3 countries. Begna South Africa, beba based in Cape Town, Guna Rwanda, and then there was Senegal, about depression screening ebantfaneni. Leli thulusi lebe silisebenzisa as comparison nalo leli ku screen linye belakhiwe belungwini. Kune question beyithi i-child neglect si-identify kanjani. Lo mbuto bobuthi umntana ukuthi umgcine nini makwakho. Nakathatha umntana ngamboni in 4 days ku7 in a week. Loyo over 50%. I-child neglect angithi leyo. Utathi ngi-child neglect njani la kangwane nangabe umntana uhlala embaba la makusebenta kumathapha. 7 days akamboni. Hayi ukuthi akamnaki. Hayi ukuthi akanandzaba naye. Yoshizila, kuyofuna le mali.
Mina nje makwambe ngimbona 3 days. Ngambona 3 days. 3 days.
Uyabona. 3 days. And then eCape Town the intervention leyavela nabisibuta labantwana. Actually it was eGugu lethu. Bantwana bebathi batala sibaboni but siyathi balala la ndlini. Bavuka lokho ekseni bahambe singavuki nababuya sesilele. Child neglect in loyo. The answer is no. Because lo mntana usuka la ndlini nga3 usebenza eStellenbosch. Le maplazini. Baphuma nga6 le. Kubuya ngala. Khanze labantwana balele kude egesi la khaya. Ngeke bahlale kuzokushaya 9 bangakalali. Yabona le environment ukuthi ayifani. Ngamlungu lo mntana uphuma nga7 la ndlini. Bavukile. Nakabuya nsambama khanze babukela iTV. Labataze batshelwe ukuthi sale bayakolala nga11 ngoba lo mntwana uzofuna kulala.
Yona stress akufani.
Uyabona atifani letinto. So le assessment ngeke bese sisebenzisa lithulusi lelifanako ku define ukugula kubantu labangekho ku environment lefanako.
Hey, yaye trend na lethi ngiyakule point yakho stress akufani. Kule trend le TikTok let's get hey mama I can't do this anymore. I'm going to the pool. What lokusho ukuthi the trend kahle kahle ithi bantu laba banifana kuba stress because ukuhlukile kunebantwana abastaba stress kanti abazine acquisition amakathi mama I can't do this anymore. Pool what dive into the pool. Uthi lo lamanye kuthiwa go upstairs
Inothi khona.
Usilomunye mina ngeke ngicoshe ngoba la ngithola khona ngilala khona phela dining.
Yebo. Actually nabahleli babukela iTV wena sewugongonyekile stressed ufuna kulala.
Bese ngesitolo ngemajiteni mina
uyabona.
So it's tough.
Labantwana the backgrounds are very important when we are doing this screening and speaking mental health issues. Because yabo nje lokushoko. Kunemntwana lo washo wathi mina lekhaya stress asami. Ngilaba mflaba la khaya. Ngilala la sitting room. Nangibatshela ukuthi ngifuna kulala beva ngathi ngiyabaqosha lapha ngibaqosha ku TV. Kanti nami ngifuna lokulala phela. Anzi nzaya mekulale la. Thathani le TV nihambe nayo ke. iTV ayisuki la. Umbhedzi wamula mina. Ngiba lo abuse lo munye lapho. Lo muntu lo tatha ngakhula. Na ucabanga it's either utawenyanya iTV noma utawenyanya sitting room. because i-sitting room bekalala
Childhood trauma.
childhood trauma. So for i-diagnosis now when I assessment mental health illnesses nema-conditions, you akusebenzi nje ukubuka emehlweni ukubuke bese ngithi hayi depressed. Yabo kunema-tools, not ama-tools in the sense of debate, yabo, but sort of the form ngibekise nje khona lesiya silibide nge-mental status examination form leli guided by a certain tool. Kunabo DSM, kunabo what ehlukene lama-tools. So the argument lekhona currently ukuthi we need ema-tools la tauba afrocentric, abe cognizant of ama-cultures nema-backgrounds alabantu labascreen wakho. Ungathathi i-assessment tool le general uyisebenzise eAmerica bese ubuya nayo kangwane in the same age group, and you expect ukuthi litakunike ama-results lafanako. Uyabona, like besibekisile earlier ukuthi in children i-child neglect can be defined in different ways. Ukuthi umntana akambona umntana for a certain period of time, which is defined by different things. There are a lot of other factors la khona la kuko lenda kungabi child neglect, but leli tools nalitawuta generic is maybe crafted from the West. Litavele lende wonke umntwana lokhona ngiyabekisa embabala or emaseyisini noma emacetsheni, ngibekisa ngetindzalo tokhonza ukuthi khona abatalivele basebenta abo hard labor. Lapho labantwana bonke ba neglected. Yabona, nakuthiwa umntwana uhlala ekhaya la kude khona ema-hobbies in the sense of ama-toys. Nasikhuluma ngokuthi umntwana umnakile ama-toys uyathengelwa. Umntwana wale emakhaya ama-toys awumthengela uyadakhela. Sekubukeka kungathi vele lo mntwana u-abused. Lo mntwana akananga, welfare yakhe ayikho right because ama-toys uyadakhela. Yabo leli thulusi lapho lithi li-focus from a certain socio-economic status without considering the others, because nayo lenye indzaba lekhona ku-mental health kuthi your socio-economic status has direct influence in your mental well-being. Kunetintfo leti yokuphathisa nge-stress simply because awukhona uku-afforda letinye tintfo. And nekuthi ukugroup yebantu i-dividend lekuthiwa laba ba-afforda lokhu and wena longa-afford ubonakale as umuntu lophuyile. You understand? So if you are in a group of, for instance, bantu labafunza from a high-end school, wena ubuyele emakhaya, number one utophathwa inferiority complex, because uva ngathi nabakhuluma isingisi bathi, oh yeah, you know, I need to drink some water. Wena na ukhuluma uthini uthi I'm drinking water, uve ngathi vele hayi nomni ngilahlekile man. Sewuqala uva ngathi isingisi sakho akusiso singisi mbamba. Uyabona? So in any case that creates a problem. Utiva inferior, and logo can actually go a long way if in terms of personality you are not strong. Utaba ne-inferiority complex lotawuhamba nayo mhlazana, but what do you want to drink? Wehluleke ukuthi water, because bathi water le bahleka bathi what? Kanti nyalo le space siyavuma ukuthi uyathi ukuthi mbite water wakho kahle if you are comfortable. Uyabona? Sengileto leti phithiphithi, and it goes a long way, it affects umuntu. There are people even now la besabako ukukhuluma isingisi because wathi uthi ukhuluma isingisi kwephuka ligama bahleka. Leligama lelo uyazama uligega kuze kube kunini. Yabona?
Sounds trauma.
Those are some of the things. And letinto leto tichamuka in multiple different ways. Lokunye kubangelana nale kuchamuka nangala ngabo peer pressure, which is also into lengala ka mental health nayo, because pressure it's societal, and for as long as you can succumb to pressure, it means personality wise and in terms of character you are still not very firm. Nangabe nje start sinyalo ugqoka ema-all star bese wena uqhamuka ude, so vangathi vele wena ubelong, that's peer pressure.
Esikoleni ugqoka ama-grasshopper.
Yes.
Wena udekhaya.
So vangathi lesikolweni awufuni lokuya.
That's why because umuntu lomdzala
nyalo. Nalekhaya usafuni
le grasshopper soyigcokele enkanini le grasshopper kusibeka ngayi afford. Le solo itrauma.
Exactly.
Kuyendeka phela.
Funa igrasshopper yakhe ngoba phela bawathenga lemuva uyabona. And we have seen people like that where
yes,
you'll find
umuntu
lotawuthi i-confidence yakhe was built by a sense of belonging. Now ano sinele safunza ngale yaminyaka kugqoka ano was a thing. Yabona now ano noma ngabe uyafeyila but ano. Ano lokwento uve ngathi ungugayi la sikolweni like you are the thing. Yabo ungilolo kulanga etule ekhekheni. Yabo and then nyalo ke kunema grasshopper i-grasshopper nawu ne-grasshopper nje wena ungumalumesi yabona now at that point now ugcoka li-Tuffys which was a normal school shoe. They will make you feel like you don't belong li-Tuffys but awukethi to wenda issue contest ude esikolweni but learn for let's see the environment is making you feel like you do not belong and it actually impedes on your psychosocial well-being because the environment is not conducive for you to be there. And then it moves on to even the point where cognitively some people even fail to progress in life because le crew lenguyo ngikule crew yema-golf 1 mina ngiseyitele emoto ngiva ngathi I'm not made it vele noma sebahamba sengiyasala ngoba baphatha ama-black card kuthi linayo le mali noma lide but il black uyabona those are some of the things thinking alesinato.
So mostly from what you are saying and what I'm getting is that before anything else to work on yourself as a person.
Point of paramount beginnings before you do anything. Yabona utosuka ekhaya ungijobo ungekho comfortable and confident on the person you are. Mchana, stay at home. Just don't go anywhere. In the sense that do not find yourself in spaces where batakubuta the question, let's say, who are you? When awucabange ini ligama lakho. Because that's where we normally find the maboza. Mina nje nawutothi ngiyabekisa siyacoca nangabe sizama ukucheckana ukuthi simephi. I'm not going to ask your name. Ligama, it could be anything. For me to know you, I need to ask you, who are you? And don't tell me that I'm a son of who and who. That's not who you are. That's a description. The who you are is defined by you in a way that you know you are comfortable. Labenema business but a SWOT analysis where you are checking your strengths, your weaknesses, and whatnot and whatnot. If you've never done that for yourself as a person, because you need to know my weaknesses are in order to then the moment you have my weaknesses, you are able to filter in what we call emotional intelligence. In spaces where you know you are weak, you tap out because you are exposed.
Banale confident lento siyidzinga ukuthi kukhona ukuthi sometimes body chair. Uthi geje njengomjida. Uthi angifit lapha. Baningi mashida kanjalo. Ungivasa umjida akamela kancane ngize ngiyothola imali ngidambuyela. Ukhanze ukuthi umuntu ubeka wathola ama-cherry esigele nyalo ngasone imoto sofuna kule ma-cherry sovala lesikhala lesa.
Playing catch up.
Trauma that one.
Playing catch up. It's what we call a fixation because there are things you wish you could have done back then.
What do you call it?
A fixation.
Okay.
You are fixated in the past. You are still trying to spend your teenage years. But problem is the calendar game.
So what dance now lo?
Kukhona. Uyabona. Sekuthi nje some of us le confidence ayikhona yona because mina even the woman I got married to ngasinangicala I was like out of my league. But siyakhona.
Wazanga.
Nedi.
Kwabuya nayo kuphila kwesilungu.
Strong.
Gents, angathi noma ukhona imibuto lekhona lapho la background ukuthi as far as mental health ikhamba njani but guys please make sure you subscribe shout out to Clevisto most importantly njobo ije by the way Pinja travel immediately after the shoot. So vele
sengiphethe paranoia.
So you know what I want us to the episode I don't want it to be too long. At the same time, I think I don't want it to be too short because it's a new episode, mental health, and ngifuna ukuthi sive ukuthi because the people requested for this topic to talk about.
So you listen to people.
It's for this show's for the people then. Yeah, well,
Okay.
sifuna labantu laba bacelako, then we try ukuthi esibathole for the show. So with that being said, then ngifuna lokuthi then sibone lokuthi how is it being received and the topics also because the show is for the people. We have guests on the show that have came back like 3 times. Because labantu bevanga solo high man.
There's still more to be
There's still
done.
more. So we always leave it to the people who say, okay, we always take most episodes as it was in part 1. Then from the reception and the people with us about from TikTok, like my comments on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, because we upload everywhere. Bese sisakhona kubona ukuthi okay mnathu. Sicobuyeke ke nyalo maybe usibuyele nemufi lokune departments nayo. Utawukhona ukuthi maybe nabe na ufinyelele khona. Nifeni ishaye ninde so le topic. But I'll let you know about topic lo bangazuthi imcoka lo ufuna ku emphasize kiyo before we wrap up. Ukuthi just touch on it. Nangabi khona.
Well, I think actually I'll go back to what you said. The point of paramount beginnings, the issue is self-awareness, which is you knowing who you are. As we are moving towards the wellness side of the spectrum from the illness, there's only one vehicle you can use to move from illness to wellness. It's self-awareness. So you need to know who you are, understand yourself, your weaknesses, your strengths, and things that makes you be a better person. And the things, kungene the spirituality, your own personal cognitive growth, because intellectually, and then the psychosocial growth, the company we keep, the people we hang out with, the places we go to, the places should feed the energies that makes you a better person. And then physically, be the person you want to be seen as. Nangabe when you have aspirations of being the guy, ungabe sesoba Paralympic. Yabona wena nje sobuke kulphara but you have aspirations of being the guy lo fasa tie. Now ufuna kuba guy lo fasa tie igqoka lishirt isibone ukuthi kusashoda lo tie. But you are in progress.
So vele usekumishini.
Exactly. So self-awareness speaks about you becoming a better version of yourself every day.
Self-awareness.
So in order for you to become the better version of you, you need to do introspection and make corrections from what you did today. Uphila lamuhla, and then from my lessons alamuhla, you take them to tomorrow. I would say tomorrow's correct alamuhla. Tomorrow une agenda yakhe but lesikufunza itola sikufake kuloko kusasa to make it better. Ngoba safuna kwene ma corrections siyatibambelela again. And we have seen so many people zoning into both depression, zoning into substance use and substance disorders because solo balwa nekucorrecta lokulemuva. Ma corrections empilweni kude. The only thing you can do is make the most with what you have today based on the experiences of the past. That's why the past is important in life. Kuthina lama lessons. Ngale kwaloko yintfo nje leseyendlulile because there is just no way. You know, there is a quote I normally use kuma WhatsApp ngithi you can't think of the past when you are only 15 years. We are all young at some point, but the problem with life is we don't know when it's going to end. So live life in the way that you are going to be proud of yourself when you look back. And another thing, asiyekele into ekungafuni babatsala. Now when you 30, you are an adult. Stop doing things with them 23-year-olds. Now na 40, you are an
even with
elder.
them 23-year-old man.
Lethe kubalekile responsibility.
Okay, I get you.
Accountability.
Okay, I get you.
Ngito lelethi sendaba ezisiphindze siphathwa bo depression ngoba sidawufuna sendeni sithi we are living life today. Hey, live once. Yes, we live once, but nasa una 50 noma una 42 noma una 47, there is a certain level in society where you need to fit for you to be an example to someone lotala mva kwakho. Hayi lokuba li 50-year-old lelina 16. Yabona.
topic.
But kasishiye lapho.
Ngoba
Kungaze
siyabazi
konakale.
bakhona abantu
Yabona.
abafuna something but solo.
And these are the very same problems we have, because in as much as we are a microwave generation, which is funa kuchafata kuphume ama solutions, we are also a generation lebalekele responsibility. If responsibility is confronting you, take accountability.
Yes.
And things are going to be rectified. Most of them, people are still discovering themselves at 40, which is late. 40 years. They say life begins at 40 years, but knowing yourself should begin the moment you wake.
But life is tough.
Eyes.
You can't judge them. 40 at least nabo ukujeni yokuthi discover. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuba west nangabe akathatha le initiative.
Yabona lo ukuthi bathi life begins at 40. Uyathi usilenga ubuke ke bebashona. Bebashothi sewune PhD ya self awareness. Sewu right ngawe. So to understand fully. Now you can go around and galavant, because you have to go to unawutsinzala nakude thinking angitsinzala. Ngalesikhathi utawuhamba uyobegin life at 40 ute ne diploma in self awareness ngawe. Sikubute ukuthi yini lo alejako uthi angathi ngidobona khona at 40.
Ngoba judge. Ngoba judge.
I'm not going to say anything ngoba nami ngisedude ngiyakhona, but wrong.
Nah, mina ngithi give them time. But discover at least kungcono nabathi discover, but kunekuthi bavele batiyekelele.
No, let journey to discover.
Go
to umbhini wemuntu, and let journey to discovery requires all of us. So it's a responsibility to all of us to support one another. I would normally say we are each other's keeper, such that nangibona sikhona la ngathi akusahambi kahle khona kuwe, in the most human way, dignified way, I approach you and let you know, XM Chana, can you fix ABC? Or don't you think this could work better? With respect. Yabona. Hayi kunento le yayendwe abantu labaye ba drink. Bayatshelana labo tindzaba tabo. Sekuthi nje lo munye uyayibese into engathi akeva ngalokuthi bamtshele ba drinkile. But bayatshelana. If we can, the culture leyo siyithathe, we can help each other in a very, very good way. We can grow. Bange my child.
Nat, thank you so much for coming through to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Looking forward to having another chat with you.
I hope and I pray.
Your sister, shout out, Upizi, the wife.
Hey.
Hey, I want my daughter. Hey, I want
that's how it ends up being. Like kuba.
Oh, shout out
to the wife, shout out to the siblings.
Or you know what?
And then
shout out to wife. Ukuthi ufuna ukuthi egcobele step ukuthi vele yabo I was them bamba.
Angati but in any case, shout out to my little sister Sis3. Uthi ubitwa ngaSis3 mncane nginathi sonke but nguye Sis3.
Shout out to Sis3.
Yes, Sis3 is a fan, like uyanibukela religiously.
Shout out guys. Give it up for Sis3 bafethu. Sabonga Sis3.
Sis3 nelitwin lakhe Mlondi, like those two ngiwe ma podcast gigs asekhaya sitshelwa ngibo ukuthi bonile banuthiteni. Ngibola ba understand the technology thina aish. Sesingema zebra generation, but we are still here grinding and trying to make life better.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much.